Okay, today I'm going to read some sentences for practicing prosody, the rhythm and flow of the sentence, and some syllable stress, and also to practice reducing an unwanted schwa after certain words. That sound that sometimes comes after words like hava, dida, vada. So you can try to listen to me say the sentences and then try to say them yourself and try to imitate the prosody and also imitate not having a schwa sound after the final consonant of words. So the first sentence is, do you have some gum? Do you have some gum? I believe you. I believe you. I have 3 dogs. I have 3 dogs. She had lunch at 3 o'clock. She had lunch at 3 o'clock. Does he have time to see me? Does he have time to see me? They made tacos last Tuesday. They made tacos last Tuesday. I need some water. I need some water. The lab coat needs cleaning. The lab coat needs cleaning. Do you have change for $1? Do you have change for $1? The sad lady is over there. The sad lady is over there. Give it to the man that is standing. Give it to the man that is standing. I made it just for you. I made it just for you. The kids slide down the banister. The kids slide down the banister. My mom has 2 sisters. My mom has 2 sisters. My dad has 1 brother. My dad has 1 brother. We had a fun time last weekend. We had a fun time last weekend. I have the report you need. I have the report you need. Do you need some more information? Do you need some more information? The chicken crossed the road. The chicken crossed the road. Okay, I hope that helps you.